Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and today I want to show you how to make a slip knot. Where the journey begins. First, I want to demonstrate a slip knot without using a crochet hook. Ready your tensions. Hold the yarn like this and make a twist to create a cross. Hold that cross with your thumb and middle finger to keep the loop. With your other hand, grab the working yarn through the loop, making sure it doesn't make a twist. Then gently pull the yarn end to tighten it up. The working yarn must be able to move in and out of the slip knot with ease. Now you can insert the crochet hook. It is a good practice that the working yarn is at the frontmost of the hook. Then you can pull the working yarn to make a slip knot. The slip knot should also be able to unravel back to its original state. Now I want to show you how to make a slip knot using a crochet hook. Prepare your tensions like so. Grab your hook, place it underneath the yarn, and make a twist. As you can see, the loop is exactly the same as our previous method. The crochet hook is on your right, and the working yarn is on your left. Then lean your hook over the yarn, then underneath. This is what you call a yarn over. Then pull it through the loop and gently tighten it up. And there you have it. As mentioned, you must be able to pull the working yarn back and forth easily, and making sure it's at the frontmost of your crochet hook. Oh, just to let you know, if you take a closer look, a slip knot is actually a chain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.